Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So for today's video we're going to be talking about how to sell your own art online using Displate. So let's go ahead and get that started. So first we're going to want to join here and log in, or if you don't have an account you can just make your own account. First you're going to need to make a customer account because that's usually how it works first, and you can save your wish list picks, save your order data for next purchases, be the first to know about your discounts and other stuff. So let's go ahead and log in here. I already have an account, so I'm just gonna hop into that. Which then after that you can you end up here in this page, which is the first step of 2, and which has pick 3 of 8 keywords. You'll see the best designs from chosen keywords on your home page. So let's go ahead and click some stuff here. Let's do best selling. Then let's go ahead and get rid of the rest of these. And then let's add a few other ones. Let's put pop art. Sure. Let's go ahead and add... what else is good? I guess let's add space. Gaming, sure, that's a topical one. Space, sure, anime and manga. And then nature. And then, so that's basically it. You have a lot of options here that you can choose from. Let's go ahead and add paintings as well. And then click next. Then you end up here to create a wish list. You can explore Displate World and see all the other art. But for now, we're just going to go ahead and close this and go back to our Displate page here, and then check out our account and open our profile. And let's go ahead and do that. So we're going to be trying to sell our own art, so we're going to want to actually try to open the shop and earn our own earn on our designs, and then we can create and share collections of our artworks. And then you can also check and have your sales under control. So let's go ahead and click the learn more here. So we can learn about how we can join as an artist. So actually you need to join as an artist if you want to sell your own online stuff. So they're gonna need you to send a link to your portfolio on using this email here, so you can get a chance to open your own Displate shop. So yeah, they're gonna need a lot of setup before you want to do that. So you just need to contact them using this button. So that's pretty much it for that. But how does it exactly work? And how it works is actually you will be earning 50% of the commissions of the total sale value by sharing the links on your to your artworks on social media. And let's go ahead and just click learn more. And just let's just close this for now. So how do you sell artworks as an artist with share and earn? So you need to register as an artist on the website to sell artwork, and then you need to go to the link here and then submit your portfolio. That way you can start selling your own artwork. You can print your artwork for less as well. You can buy displays with your designs for 50% less whenever you need them for a gift, exhibition, or want to sell your art. Let us do the rest. You can upload your design and let them promote your art per month. They have different sizes as well for the artwork. And for the artist commission, please note that the fees will be applied. So depending on what size you're selling your art, that's how much they will be charging you. And why sell your art on Displate? So over $25 million has been paid to artists, the highest of which is $29,000 in the last 12 months. And then they deliver to 46 countries, which is quite a lot. And then 87 countries are the countries where artists are from. Then of course, over 2.4 million social media fans, and over 42,000 artists on board. And this is pretty much just some of the samples of the art that they have here. But now let's go ahead and try and contact them to see how we can actually set up our own store. But first, you will need to email them. So let's go ahead and write an email here and compose. Let's copy this one, which is the email, so you can send it to send your portfolio to them, and just paste that there. And then just subject, which is to be an artist. So how to join join as an artist on Displate. So basically that's what we're trying to do, and then you just add in your spiel here, and basically try to promote yourself as an artist, and then also send them your link to your portfolio. But actually, since we don't have any portfolio yet, we can actually make our own using another website, which is actually using Google. So let's go ahead and open that. Let's go ahead and look for Google Sites to make our portfolio. So it's actually a really useful tool that in the Google Suite. So let's go ahead and just open that, and then we end up here. So welcome to the Google Sheets. And what we want is the portfolio, which is this one right here. That's just this is just a sample. You can just make any or customize your own thing here. Change everything that you need to. So let's go ahead and type, hi, I'm me. I'm an artist from not just kidding. From, let's say, America. Sure, why not? And then for the me, yeah, let's just get rid of that. And there's also the tutorial, so just you can actually move things around. You can also work with others. If you want to work with other people on your portfolio, then you can actually click and publish. So let's just go ahead and say got it. And once we're done with that, we can click publish, and then we end up here, and then we could just click the manage and end up in the settings menu. So we can custom the domains, then just start setup. You can use a domain from a third party or just buy a domain if you want to. So we're just gonna buy domain, and we'll just wait for that to load up. And then we end up here in Google Domains, and then let's just type in my art domain for this site, and we'll see how much each of these domains would cost per year. So here's a list of all the different prices, and you can also view them based on the price if you want to. And that's pretty much it. So you just need to copy the domain name into your Displate portfolio submission and send it to their website, to their email address here, which is join@displate.com, and wait for them to reply to your email. And that's pretty much it for this video. So hopefully that's been helpful in setting you up in selling your own art on Displate. And until next time, bye!